Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys my at-home workout. And remember, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. So right now I'm just kind of warming up, just doing some jumping jacks and different things to kind of warm my body up. And then once I get warmed up, I'm going to just go ahead and do different sets of different exercises. You'll see me use weights throughout the video. And I'll be using the weights, I'll be doing sit-ups and a little bit of running. Usually when I'm doing the arm exercises and like body exercises, I'll typically do 15 to 20 sets 3 times. But that's pretty much it with the sets. And then I'll do, like I said, a little bit of running and then some ab workout. So the rest of this video is all going to be just music because I don't think you guys want to hear me talk. But I kind of wanted to talk a little bit in the beginning and kind of explain to you guys what I'm doing in the video. So let's just go ahead and jump into the video and you guys can listen to some music and watch me do my at-home backyard workout.
Ain't no luck finding real love.